In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently delete bounced emails in Mailchimp to maintain a healthy and efficient mailing list. Managing your audience effectively is crucial for your email marketing success, and keeping your contact list clean can make a real difference. So let's dive right into the process. First things first, log into your Mailchimp account and navigate over to the audience section. This is the go-to area where you can view and manage all your subscribers. It's like the central hub of your Mailchimp activity, so becoming familiar with it will certainly be beneficial. Once you find yourself in the audience section, the next step is to create a segment. You might ask why you need a segment. Well, segments are incredibly useful. They allow you to filter out specific groups of contacts, making it easier to manage who you're targeting in your email campaigns. In this particular instance, the target is those contacts who have an email marketing status marked as cleaned. The term cleaned here refers to email addresses that have consistently bounced in the past. By filtering these out, you focus on contacts who are actively engaged with your content. Creating the segment involves setting up a condition. Select the filter for email marketing status and make sure it's marked as cleaned. What this does is gather all those non-responsive emails into one handy view for you. This action not only declutters your list, but helps ensure you're not wasting resources on emails that will never reach their destination. After you've set up your segment, it's time to select all the contacts within it. Mailchimp will show you a list of email addresses that match your cleaned criteria. Go ahead and select these contacts. This is a pivotal moment in the cleaning process because you'll be making the decisions that determine the cleanliness of your email list. Once your contacts are selected, you'll see an option to permanently delete them. Now, I want to emphasize this step. Choosing to delete these emails permanently means you won't be able to recover them later, which is why it's crucial to ensure these addresses are indeed the ones you want to remove. Make sure before you hit that delete button that you're comfortable with the decision. Finally, when you're absolutely sure, go ahead